Hello guys, how are you? Are you happy or sad? I am happy today and now we are starting one more class. Let's go? Okay, K4. Today our class will be in the kitchen. Yes, this is my kitchen. And now we are going to start our cooking class. Let's go? Okay, guys. Today I am going to prepare a fruit salad. It's a very simple recipe and you can change up the fruits according to your choice. Now I am going to show you the fruits that we are going to need. Repeat. Orange, grapes, apple, banana, and strawberry. What color is the strawberry? Red. Yes, very good. What color is the orange? Green. Okay. What color is the apple? Red. Very good. What color are the grapes? Purple. Okay. What color are the bananas? Yellow. Okay. Very good. Let's see how to prepare a fruit salad. First, we have to wash all the fruits. Let's see. And now, squeeze the oranges to make a juice. We are going to peel the apple and the banana and after slice them. Slice the strawberry too. And now, to finish our recipe, we are going to mix all the fruits together. Apple, grapes, bananas, and strawberry. And after, put the orange juice. It's easy and delicious. So, our health fruit salad is ready. Ok, guys, e para realizar essa receita de salada de frutas, não se esqueça de chamar o papai, a mamãe ou algum adulto que more na sua casa, ok? Don't forget. That's it for today. I will see you in our next class. Goodbye!